Hello students, mathematics class for 8, exercise 1.2, question number 1. Represent these numbers on the number line. These are rational numbers 7 by 4 and minus 5 upon 6. So here you have two rational numbers and we have to represent these numbers on the number line. So let's start. Solution of question number 1. First part. First number is 7 by 4. 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is a rational number. So first we have to focus which type of fraction it is. You are looking 7 by 4, upper one called numerator, lower one called denominator. So denominator is smaller than numerator. It means this is an improper fraction. If you talk in terms of fraction, so it is improper fraction. So what we will do? Numerator is greater than denominator. So 7 divided by 4. Numerator divided by denominator. Divide करेंगे 4 1 जा 4 and you will do subtraction. What left? 3 here. Okay. Then you can write same number like that. 1 whole quotient 1 whole, ये whole number है. Then remainder 3 by 4. So we can write 7 by 4 equals to 1 whole 3 by 4. 4 1 is 4 plus 3 6 7 4 5 6 7 7 by 4, or you can write same thing 1 plus 3 by 4. Whenever you have improper fraction, so method will be like that. First you have to do divide. You will get whole number and this one called in term of fraction, this one called mixed fraction. So this is whole part of this one and this is fractional part of this 3 by 4. You can write this one like that. Now we have to check where 7 by 4 or 1 whole 3 by 4 lies. So 7 by 4 or this number 1 whole 3 by 4. Whole part यहाँ पे 1 है. So this number will be greater than 1. This is your whole part. Whole number है. So this number will be greater than 1. But it will be less than 2. 1 यहाँ पे whole है. तो ये 1 से तो बड़ा होगा. लेकिन 2 से छोटा होगा. 1 whole 3 by 4. And this one equals to 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 also lie in between 1 and 2. Now we will draw number line for this one. So let's start drawing number line. This is no sign here. It means this one positive. So this one positive number. So we will write O here and here. This number line in between 1 and 2, it means we have to draw up to 2. Here we will write 1 and equal gap you have to take, and here we will write 2. Okay, this is 0 and this is 1, this is 2. 0 to 1, how much gap between 0 to 1? Equally should be 1 to 2. Gap should be equal. Equal gap आपको लेना है. So 1 plus 3 by 4. 1 is whole number, complete number है, whole number है. तो 1 तो यहाँ पे हो गया. Now you have 3 by 4. 3/4 बचा. So where you will draw 3/4. So 3/4 lie between 1 and 2. 1 complete आपको यहाँ पे मिल गया. अब बचा 3/4, तो 3/4 आएगा 1 और 2 के बीच में. Okay. So what we will do? 3/4. 3/4 you have to draw. So 4. Look, denominator. What written in denominator? Here written 4. So in between 1 and 2, you have to draw 4 lines. So we will start from here. So that 1, we will count this one 0, 1, 2, 3, and this one 4. यहाँ 1 और 2 के बीच में हम 3/4 को ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टू चेक व्हाट इज डिनोमिनेटर. जो भी आपका डिनोमिनेटर होगा उतनी ही आपको यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. ये यहाँ से और यहाँ इन दोनों के बीच में ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दिस विल बी 0. यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो इसको 0 काउंट करेंगे. देन इट विल बी 1, इट विल बी 2, it will be 3, and it will be 4. This gap should be equal everywhere. Gap equal होना चाहिए. This gap 0 to 1 and 1 to के बीच में equal gap होगा. And after that you are drawing these numbers. This gap also should be equal. ये भी equal होना चाहिए. These lines are longer. This one should be shorter than this one. ये थोड़ा छोटा रखेंगे इनको. Okay. So this is 0 for 1 to 2. ये 0 है. Otherwise this is 1. जब आप 1, 2, 3 लिखेंगे तो उसके लिए यहाँ पे 0 काउंट करेंगे. Okay. Now you need 3/4. So first, what number written in your denominator? That much line you have to draw here. आपने नंबर लिखा फर्स्टली 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here written 4. तो up to 4 you have to write. Then divide by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. Okay. So you are getting 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. 4 divided by 4 1. तो यहाँ पे 1 मिल गया आपको. 1 ऑलरेडी था. 1 plus 1. So 2 here. Okay, we need not 3/4 only, 1 whole 3/4. So 1 whole तो आपका यहाँ पे है. Now where is 3/4? This is 3/4. So we will write point A. Point A represent 1 whole 3/4. ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक होगा 1 whole 3/4. If this point O, so OA, and point A represent करेगा 1 whole 3/4 और actual number is 7/4. So point A represents 7/4. Like that way you have to draw 7/4 on the number line. Point A represent, this is line, so both sides you will draw arrow. Okay, when you have to take positive number, we will draw positive part. You know that right hand side is our positive part. So this point A represents 7/4 or 7/4 equals to 1 whole 3/4. Like that way you have to draw 7/4 on the number line. So we will write point A represents 7/4 on the number line. So we will write point name. Always you will write with capital letter. Point हमेशा capital letter से लिखे जाएंगे. You will not write small letter or cursive here. you have to write capital letter. Point A represents 7/4 on the number line. Okay, point, this is your point A. You will write capital A here and you will mark with a point here, and then you will write point A represents 7/4 on the number line. Like that way you have to draw first part of the question. Now coming second part of the question. Second part of the question. So what is your second part? Minus 5/6. Solution of first question. Second part question is minus 5/6. Minus 5/6. This one also a rational number, but that one negative. your minus sign, तो ये नेगेटिव है. Now look only number, ignore that sign. Look this one, 5/6. Which type of fraction is this? 5/6 किस तरह का fraction है? 5/6. This is your numerator, this is your denominator. तो numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator आपका छोटा है, denominator बड़ा है. तो that type of fraction called proper fraction. तो ये proper fraction है. Minus 5/6 is a rational number. We can't say this one a fraction. But when you look without sign, it will be fraction. Fraction negative नहीं हो सकता है. Fraction can't be negative. Rational number can be positive and negative. So you just have to look number. Number ही number को देखना आपने, sign के साथ नहीं देखना है. Sign के साथ देखेंगे तो ये fraction नहीं बनेगा. This is fraction, but this one not a fraction. So 5/6 है proper fraction. Why proper fraction? Numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator. So in that case, we get a proper fraction. When you will do divide, it will be less than 1. अगर आप divide करेंगे, 5 में divide करेंगे 6 से, 5 divided by 6, so you have to, this one not divided 0, then you have to apply point, then you can increase 0 here, and 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48. 48 you will get here. Like that you will do. So here you are looking whole is 0. जो आपका whole number मिला है ये 0 है. So this number is less than 1. So where minus 5/6 lie? Minus 5/6. So this one negative. So it will lie on the negative side of the number line. Negative side में lie करेगा. This is your number line. Okay, this is your number line. If here O, so this side represent positive and this side represent negative. So we will represent minus 5/6 on the negative side. Now check where it will lie. You know that negative numbers are smaller than 0. तो ये नंबर आपका क्या होगा? 0 से छोटा होगा. 0 will be greater than minus 5 by 6. But this number will be greater than minus 1. नेगेटिव नंबर का वैल्यू तो बढ़ेगा, नंबर तो बढ़ेगा बट इट्स वैल्यू विल बी डिक्रीज. तो ऑल नेगेटिव्स आर स्मॉलर देन 0. 0 जो है सभी नेगेटिव नंबर से बड़ा होगा. तो 0 इज ग्रेटर देन minus 5 by 6. Okay, 0 is greater than minus 5 by 6 and minus 5 by 6 will be greater than minus 1. When you divide this one, you are getting approx 0.8 and here 1. But here minus sign also and here also minus sign. माइनस में क्या होता है, नंबर तो बढ़ेगा बट इट्स वैल्यू विल बी डिक्रीज. तो दिस विल बी ग्रेटर देन 1. दैट्स व्हाई minus 5 upon 6 will be greater than minus 1. So minus 5 by 6 lie between 0 and minus 1. तो हम 0 ड्रॉ करेंगे. This is 0 and on the negative side this is your right hand for positive side and this is your left hand for negative. So we will draw this side 0 and 1 here. Okay, this one lie between 0 and 1. 0 and minus 1. So we will apply minus here. Okay, now look, 5 by 6 you have, minus denominator you have to look. So what written in denominator? 6 written. So in between 0 to 1 we have to draw 6 line. Okay, these all lines should be equidistance. Equidistance means at equal distance. 0, 1. This line should be smaller than this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one counted at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This one negative, so we will put minus sign also. You will draw this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. नेगेटिव है तो इधर को जाएगा, लेफ्ट हैंड की साइड. पॉजिटिव होता तो राइट हैंड की साइड जाता. दिस वन नेगेटिव, minus 5 by 6 upon 6 upon 6 upon 6 upon 6 upon 6 upon 6 and upon 6. So minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6 and here 6, minus 6 by 6. 6 to 6 cancel out, so you get minus 1. Now we have to focus on this one, minus 5 by 6. So where is minus 5 by 6? This point represent minus 5 by 6. So we will write point name and value of number, this one, minus 5 upon 7. Point you have to mark and just above this point you have to write B. Name of this point B. So point B represent, 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6. Okay. So like that we will draw negative rational number. Okay, you can leave this side as it and here we will write point B. So we will write point B represents minus 5 by 6 on the number line. Lines always you will draw with pencil. Point name always in capital letter.